Welcome again to the final episode of this journey of demystifying the derivatives market, which was recently launched by the NSE or Nairobi Securities Exchange on the July 11th, 2019. And today, I just want us to wrap up what has been a very beautiful, enlightening journey with Jeff Odundo, the CEO of Nairobi Securities Exchange. First and foremost, Jeff, I just want to say congratulations again.
Thank you.
It is not a small achievement. I don't know how many people have walked on this earth that have had an opportunity to head an institution like this and be, associated with launching a significant market like the derivatives market. I know you've had a lot of time to think about this, and you definitely are thinking beyond even your reign. What does this market look like 10 years from now, in size, in players? What do you see?
Well, I think, first of all, I must say I'm privileged to be heading the NSE at this time, when we are in a very defining moment in its history, and bringing on board another exchange, because this is an exchange, really. And 65 years later, coming and bringing a derivatives market, for me, I must say I'm just delighted to stand in the gap at the moment, on behalf of my team. So it's been great. I think I always told the team that everybody was part of this journey will have their names written in golden letters, that they made history in Africa for being part and parcel of this particular successful moment. We have traveled across the continent. Nobody believed that Kenya would do it as we promised. And we have a lot of others who came to just witness this moment. I had my neighbors here from Uganda and Rwanda who were part of that launch, and they are very proud that East Africa has taken that position on the continent, and really the world at large. So I say it's a great moment, a defining moment in our history. I don't think you can repeat this again. Nobody will ever take this place again. And for us, it's great. I think 10 years from today, I think NSE will be a multi-asset exchange trading at a global scale and a key member of the world's front emerging markets. I can see, my vision is that this market will, in notional value, be many times higher than the spot market. And that's going to be a very different market. We're going to see different players in this market. We're going to see hedge funds, big players, the big global banks. And let me tell you, for instance, one of the new data vendors we have onboarded now, because of this market, is BlackRock. They are on board.
Wow.
Now, when you start bringing those kind of people into this kind of market, it just shows you where the future is going to be. So outside JSE, NSE is going to be a very highly liquid, highly attractive market on the continent to bring in the big players. It's not only going to be big on derivatives, but it's also going to help the cash markets we have right now, because of the perceived depth and liquidity that the derivatives will bring us. They'll also be interested in also seeing more activity on the underlying stock. So that market is also going to grow in leaps and bounds. And the minute the valuations of the spot market improve, then listings will be a daily thing. I can see companies saying, from whichever part of the continent, we want to get depth, we want to raise big money, let's go to Nairobi. Irrespective of where they're positioned today. Because you will not stop flow of movement of you can't. People go where there's liquidity, where there's depth of money. So you'll see cross listing, dual listings, many things happening in Nairobi because of that depth that we'll have created on the continent. And the fact that we're very well positioned geographically as a country, we've got one of the best infrastructures in Africa, we've got very good capacity as Kenyans. This will then be the hub, the financial hub for sub-Saharan Africa. I believe Kenya will be there. And I believe NSE will be right in the middle of that success and taking Kenya to the next level. next 10 years. Yes.
That's a great, ambitious vision.
Thank you.
And I look forward to celebrating the achievement of that vision with you.
Thank you.
I know there are many people who have walked this journey with you. Are there some specific names, institutions, and individuals that you'd want to mention, and just, honor them for the role that they have played in supporting you towards this amazing journey?
I think first and foremost, I want to really thank the.
Maybe you can look at the camera.
Okay. I think just thank the founders of this organization. I think they had very big aspirations of making Nairobi Securities Exchange a huge company and a huge player in the market. And I think every past board and management of this great institution has been part of this journey and part of the building blocks towards ensuring that we make Nairobi a highly complex and sophisticated market. So credit to the founding directors of this organization, and also the founding CEOs and even the CEOs who came thereafter. Everybody is in a journey towards sophisticating our market and making it more successful. I think particularly on the derivatives market, I'll credit part of my success in this market to my predecessor, Peter Mwangi, for being there at the very beginning of this journey, together with Terry Ndembesa, who is the director in charge of derivatives, who have been very resilient in this journey and making sure it's been part of the great development. I think I want to thank the board, both previous under Eddie Njoroge and currently under Sam Kimani, who have had belief. I mean, our current chairman said the other day that he's been paying salaries to the derivatives department for the last 6 years, and very, very patiently. And that's not a very easy feat. The kind of investments this board has put into this organization to develop the derivatives market has been huge. I don't think any organization would want to invest capital of that nature without clearly getting a return for 8 years. So I want to thank the board under Sam Kimani and the team, and back again to Terry and his team for the patience they've gone through it. The rest of the NSC team, management and teams have been very, very plugged in. It's been a very cross-functional project. We've had IT, we've had SRO, we've had business development, HR to identify people. So it was a very cross-functional project, and everybody has played a role. So I think over and above, it's also thank the industry. You cannot do this alone. We had to get trading members, we had to get clearing members, we had to get the community involved. And even now, as NSC, we have set up a platform, but the people who are the clients is the community. And just to thank them for plugging in and ensuring that we're going to build a great market. And finally, the regulators. I think we want to thank the NSCMA particularly for bringing the framework in 2011, knowing that this is where we want in the country, and taking the markets, and then allowing NSC to come in as an executing agent, executing arm of it. That has been awesome. Central Bank has also been helpful in allowing the banks to participate in these products. You can imagine the kind of interrogation and approvals the banks have gone through. Awesome. In fact, we learned a word called strategic patience from that journey, and it's gone very well. And finally, the National Treasury. I think this is all part of the aspiration of the government to ensure that we achieve and make Kenya International Financial Center. And really, in their launch remarks, were very delighted to say that they will continue to support the capital markets and make us really Kenya one of the deepest markets in Africa and the international investment destination of choice. Good.
Once again, congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you.
I think we should do a cheers. A cheers for Kenya.
Wow. Cheers to Kenya.
Yeah. Cheers to you and your team.
Awesome.
Cheers to Kenya to becoming the investment hub in Africa.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Cheers.
My name is Pius Mshiri Mugo, the managing director of Napo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.